Lord. Welcome back. It's Carol, and I'm back with another quick prophetic word. Amen. I pray you are all doing well. Amen. Now, the word I'm hearing from the Lord is noise. The Lord is saying He is not in the noise. Turn off the noise. The Lord is saying, turn off the noise. He is not in the noise. The Lord said, my peace I leave with you. My peace I give to you. Do not let your hearts be troubled. Do not be afraid. My God. The Lord is saying, do not get caught up with the noises all around you and lose your peace. The Lord is saying He is not in the noise. Maintain your peace. Turn the noise off. Glory be to God. Whatever is disturbing you, whatever is affecting you, the noise that is taking your peace, the Lord is saying He is not in the noise. Turn the noise off. Do not let your hearts be troubled. My God. I hear the Lord saying, get ready, get ready, get ready. He is about to pass by. Get ready. He is about to pass by. He is not in the noise. Glory be to God. Be still, and know that He is God. Turn the noise off. Be still and know that He is God. He is not in the noise. Turn the noise off. The Lord is about to pass by. My God. My God. Be blessed. Be blessed.